Do you know what is the biggest joke in our Hindu religion or Sanatana Dharma? Or what is the funniest thing among the followers of so-called followers of Sanatana Dharma? The biggest joke will be they don't know the difference between Srimad Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam. They don't know that there are two books. They think this is the same name. And they are the foundation. They are the foundation of Vedic civilization. Srimad Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam. But ask anybody, they'll say they have no idea what's the difference. So in this 5 minutes presentation, what we will discuss the difference between these two supremely important books of Sanatana Dharma, Srimad Bhagavat or Srimad Bhagavatam and Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Okay? So who spoke? Bhagavad Gita was spoken by Lord Krishna in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. And Srimad Bhagavatam was spoken by Sukadeva Goswami to King Parikshit when he was about to pass away from the world. Bhagavat means God and Gita means song, song of God. Bhagavad Gita is song of God. Bhagavad Gita is part of Mahabharata. In Mahabharata Bhishma Parva, Bhagavad Gita is 25th to 42 chapters from 25 to 42. These 18 chapters, they are known as Bhagavad Gita or the Song of God. Srimad Bhagavatam is actually a Purana. Purana is a supplementary Vedic knowledge. So they actually complete the Vedic understanding. Puranas, there are 18 Puranas. So Srimad Bhagavatam is the highest Purana, is considered the highest, and Bhagavat this is Mahabharata, Gita, part of Mahabharata, and this is one of the 18 Puranas. Both are Krishna Katha. But Gita is a Krishna Katha by Krishna, and Srimad Bhagavatam is Krishna Katha by the devotees. So this is about Krishna. Gita is by Krishna and Srimad Bhagavatam is about Krishna. Bhagavad Gita has 18 chapters, as I said just now, and 700 verses. Srimad Bhagavatam has 330 chapters spread over 12 cantos and 18,000 verses. So 700 in Bhagavad Gita, 18,000 in Srimad Bhagavatam. Now, Bhagavad Gita is the entrance to spirituality, entrance to the transcendental understanding. That is Bhagavad Gita. That is, Bhagavad Gita is graduation and Srimad Bhagavatam is post-graduation. Because Gita ends from the point Sarva Dharmana Parityajya Mam Ekam Sharanam Vraja. Gita ends at this point, that give up everything and surrender to me. And Bhagavatam starts from that point, takes up from that point, Dharma Projita Kayatvotra, paramo nirvatsaranam satam. That here is parityajya, here is a projhita. Tyajya, prakashtrupena tyajyati. Completely reject everything which is a pseudo religion, pseudo dharma. Reject it. And Bhagavatam is projhita, ujjita, prakashtrupena ujjita. Completely thrown away. All Kaitava dharma, all cheating religious principles are completely thrown away from this treatise called Bhagavatam. So Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam are the life and soul of Sanatana Dharma. So in your house, keep a copy of Bhagavad Gita. We have a world famous edition Bhagavad Gita as it is. And Srimad Bhagavatam, so Srila Prabhupada, His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada has translated. That's the most extensive and most authorized edition of Srimad Bhagavatam in 18 volumes. So keep a copy. Even if you don't study, these two books are the literary incarnation of God. God in book form. Just by keeping in your home, you will derive so much of benefit. What to speak of opening up and reading at least one verse a day. It's not a big deal. Reading one verse a day. Anybody can do. Everybody should read one verse of Bhagavad Gita, one verse of Srimad Bhagavatam, and see the difference in your life